In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp status couldn't send. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. From the main screen, head to the Updates or Status tab. This is where your status posts live, and it's the best place to quickly spot what went wrong. Now tap My Status. If you see three dots next to it, you can tap those to view the list of your recent status uploads. Look for any status showing a red error or an exclamation mark. That's the failed upload. On Android, press and hold on that failed status to select it. On iPhone, swipe left on the failed item to reveal the options. Once it's selected, tap the trash can or delete icon to remove the broken attempt. Clearing it out prevents WhatsApp from repeatedly trying to send a corrupted or incomplete upload. Next, give your network a cold reset. Turn on airplane mode, wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off again. Toggle Wi-Fi off and back on, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which connection is more stable. If you're on Wi-Fi, a quick router restart can also help. A fresh network handshake fixes many temporary couldn't send hiccups. Now check the 1 GB storage wall. WhatsApp needs working room to encode and upload media. Make sure your phone has at least around 1 GB of free space. If you're low, delete large downloads, clear old videos, or move files to cloud storage. Inside WhatsApp, you can also manage storage to remove bulky media from chats you no longer need. Then review the video format and length. WhatsApp status supports common formats like MP4 with standard encoding. If your video is in an unusual format, convert it to MP4. Keep each status clip short. WhatsApp typically trims or splits longer videos, but very long or high bitrate files can fail. If necessary, trim the clip in your gallery before uploading and avoid extremely large resolutions that might choke slower networks. If you're on Android, clear the WhatsApp cache. Go to your phone's settings, open apps, find WhatsApp, then storage, and tap clear cache. This won't delete your chats, it just removes temporary files that can interfere with uploads. Reopen WhatsApp and try posting the status again. After you've deleted the failed post, refreshed your connection, ensured you have enough free space, confirmed a compatible video format and length, and, on Android, cleared the cache, go back to My Status and re-upload. With these checks done, your status should send smoothly.